Hey there, it's Rocky, and I wanted one of my very first videos to be you getting to watch me cook my very first Thanksgiving meal. So I probably won't even be talking very much. This is my first time cooking for Thanksgiving and I'm pretty focused. Enjoy the music and watch me cook. When cleaning my collard greens, I always like to run them through a couple of cycles of cold water in the sink. This makes sure that they're really clean and that I gave them a thorough washing before I started to cook them. All I'm doing here is just cutting up a sweet onion. I'm gonna save that to put in after I cook the meat that's going in the collard greens. It's time to get the meat ready for the collard greens, so I am going to cut up the salted pork, put it in there along with the neck bones, and let them cook before I add in the onions. I'm gonna be real with you, I had no idea how to cut up a turkey neck. I had Papo come in because he's the best at cutting up a turkey neck. I wish I had smell-o-vision because this smells so good. I wanted to make my first pot of Thanksgiving collard greens extra meaty, so I'm going to throw in some bacon as well. I guess I'll go ahead and add the onions in too. Once the onions are nice and soft, I'm going to go ahead and add the collard greens into the pot and put in a little more water and some apple cider vinegar, and then you just let them cook. While I wait on the collard greens to fully soften, I'm going to go ahead and get this mac and cheese done. I'm doing a very, very basic mac and cheese. It's just macaroni elbows with mild and sharp cheddar, and then I'm going to put a little bit of aged smoked white cheddar with that topping on the top there. Yes, my husband is carving the turkey. So here's how my first Thanksgiving meal turned out. I made turkey, greens. That's supposed to be tapioca pudding, but I made my mom's spoon bread, and I made some macaroni and cheese. Bad news, tapioca pudding. Good news, it's time to eat. The rest of this video is pretty much just me cleaning up after cooking my very first Thanksgiving meal. If you enjoyed watching me cook, be sure to hit the like button. Also, just make sure that you hit subscribe. I'm going to be putting out content at least weekly, sometimes more than that, but as of right now, weekly. Also, don't forget to ring the bell, and thanks again for watching. I hope you have a great and happy Thanksgiving.